pressure that the person itself makes against the structure. Also, if the person wants to move to that side, to a specific side, the robot should not prevent it. It should try to be proactive and adjust to this movement. Another important area is that given that this is a learning algorithm, it will be able to measure the evolution from one session to the next. So after trying different ways of walking with the user will advance more or less, but the machine will be able to know, to assess the individual. And this is part of the learning too. The machine will learn from what the user thinks, from the physical parameters, and will be able to measure exactly with the amount of percentage applied by the user, the amount of percentage applied by the machine, and therefore to obtain a better way of improving the session for the user. What's another possibility for this methodology? Well, here we're talking about something that is radically different, which is what we call the exoskeleton. The Berkeley University, with the Berkeley Bionics, has extracted the knowledge developed in a platform for the improvement of our motor functions in specific situations from the army. So, for instance, how to carry really big, really heavy burdens, etc. And it has adapted it to people, normal people, not soldiers. And we already have enough power in the matter in order for these prototypes to last a few hours. Currently, the problem is that they do not control balance. They just increase the strength. So someone with reduced mobility or with hardly any mobility would be able, like this person, to move just with some crutches. But the balance cannot be helped. Maybe in the future they will be able also to include balance competitor, so it will be better. And for that, we would need to be better in our progress speed. It's taking us, we take very long in the intermediate step. We need to learn to fall nicely, and therefore we need to have a lot of forward speed. And also we need to improve the balance, to have a rocking movement, like using another kind of robot on wheels to see how we can, to learn about how to keep the balance, and therefore see other genetic algorithms that can go in that sense, keeping balance in movements in which we are only being supported by one foot or the other, not by both. And that is all. Many thanks. Let's see if there are any questions.